With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is, a body of mass m starts sliding down on the inclined plane where the critical angle is angle ACB equal to 30 degree as shown in the figure. The coefficient of kinetic friction will be. So here it says critical angle, which here is the angle of repose, and here angle of repose means the body just starts sliding down at this angle. So downwards force acts as mg sin theta, upward force acts as friction. Since the body is sliding down, so friction shall act upwards. Here this is normal, and here this is our, let's say, mg cos of theta. So this here is mg cos theta, this here is our normal, this here is mg sin theta, and this here is the friction. This is our angle of repose, which is equal to 60 degree, at which the body just starts sliding down. So we have here as normal equal to, we can say mg cos of theta, and we can say here friction is equal to mg sin of theta. So we can say here friction, which is equal to mu into n, comes here as mg sin of theta, and normal reaction here we have here as mg cos of theta. So we can say this is balanced by mg sin of theta, hence mg cancels out. So we have the value of mu as, this is equal to sin by cos, which is equal to tan theta, and theta here is equal to 60 degree. So this 60 degree is our, let's say, angle of repose, hence tan 60 comes as root 3. So we can say here the coefficient of friction, which is mu, comes as root 3, which here is option number, let's say, 3. So we can say coefficient of kinetic friction is root 3, hence 3 option is the correct answer, hence 3 is our answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.